In respect to smoking cigarettes, the principle of cause and effect is not just obvious but proven beyond a shadow of a doubt. If you smoke over an extended, you will either become ill, you will die, or if you are fortunate, it will just cost you a decade or so off your life. However, there is another way to look at cause and effect with respect to quitting smoking cigarettes. From the moment you thought you should quit smoking, yet kept on doing it, you were at effect. By this I mean when you smoked because of stress in your life or to make you feel a certain way, you were not in charge of your feelings or your life, and cigarettes kept you stuck or at effect of being unable to move forward. To use self-defense analogy, if you are threatened and you just stand there and get punched in the nose, then you are at effect of the other person. However, if you were to change something, such as moving away, then you would be at cause, and you would take back control of your situation. In the case of smoking, in order for you to be at cause, you need to do something different. That is to take the steps to quit smoking and follow through. In our lives, there are some things which we are on top of, and some things which we are not. Being at effect is the bottom rung on a hierarchy of personal development. When we are there for one reason, it is not uncommon for that feeling to map across into other aspects of life. The feeling of not being able to take charge or succeed tends to seep into life in general. To move upwards on the scale is a gradual process of moving towards cause, and this journey can also map across into other facets of life. Once you quit, you may find a new sense of confidence and a feeling that you can affect more cause in your life. You may exercise more, eat a better diet, and generally look after your body and mind. Because you are not holding back on your future, you can cause a better outcome for yourself. We live in a world of cause and effect. We have to decide which side of the deal we want to be on. So take a long, hard look in the mirror and make a decision.